Hey everyone, so I want to talk about this portable industrial sewing machine. This is ideal if you want to make bags, if you want to sew heavy thick material just to make bags. I would recommend this. I paid less than $600 for the machine. It's very affordable. If you're interested in just making bags, that's what I will recommend it for. I want to show you a couple things that the machine could do. It's a walker foot. So right now I have vinyl and I'm gonna start stitching the vinyl. Make sure. Okay. Okay, this is plain vinyl. It's stitched pretty good. And you could look at the back part of it and the front. The only difference between the one with the table attached is it's sew a little slower, but it does the same thing as having the regular walker foot machines. Okay, so I'm just showing you this, and now I'm gonna show you that it's able to sew on thick material, if y'all can see this. So I'm just gonna do this real quick. Make sure I get it underneath this fabric here. Okay. Okay, let's see. See? If you want to sew like really thick material, it could do that. Where's, okay, right here, the blue stitch. Okay, so I just want to show you, if you follow this blue thread here, that's how it looks like when the fabric was sewn together. This small stitch is where it was sewn together, to show you how thick this is. This is very thick. You know, it's a lot of layers of fabric. See? Sew it with no problem. So very thick layers. Look how much layers of denim. And then you have vinyl. So it's a, you know, it's a pretty good machine to have if you want to do bags. I will only use it to make, you know, thick material or bags. Like this, I sewn on my similar machine, not this one, because I just bought this one. But if I wanted to sew on something as hard as this is very thick. This is like a hard cardboard that's in here. You know, if I wanted to sew something very thick like that, it's capable of doing that. So that's what I want to show y'all about the machine. If y'all interested in buying one, they do have budget friendly ones. I will just get a portable. If you're interested in making bags, handbags with leather or denim or vinyl, I will invest in that. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.